Welcome to Study Loop.
So in this question, as you see, the steam enters a converging diverging nozzle with a low velocity. So it is a low velocity. So the figure would look like this, right? Now, the assumption that we have to see is that the flow is steady, it is one dimensional, it is isentropic. So hence H01 equal to H1. Now, when you take the analysis, the inlet stagnation properties in this case are identical to the inlet properties since the inlet velocity is negligible. So, at the inlet, you will see that the static pressure will be equal to the stagnation pressure, and that is equal to 1 MPa. And T1 equal to T01, that is equals to 500 degrees Celsius. So H1 equal to H01, the value is given. S1 is equal to S2S is equals to this. Now, when we see, before doing this at the exit, we'll just do one more thing. That the enthalpy of the steam at the actual exit is to be determined here. Now, that is done as is equals to H01 minus H2 divided by the H01 upon H2S, and that is equals to 0.90 is equals to 3479.1 minus H2 upon 3479.1 minus 3000, and hence H2 equals to 3047.9 kilojoule per kg. Now, here we understand that therefore our at the exit our P2 would be 0.2 MPa, S2 would be 7.764 kilojoule per kg, H2 this one and V2 this one. Right. Now, then the exit velocity is determined by the steady flow energy balance, that is E in equal to E out with Q equal to W equal to 0. Hence, we get H1 plus V1 square upon 2 is equals to H2 plus V2 square upon 2. So, we have got the equation. Now, solving for V2, we will get the value of V2 to be 928.7 meter per second. Now, consider this the exit area. The exit area is mv square upon v2, and that is 575.2 meter per second. In this case, the Mach number, we are going to get it here. So the C2 that we are going to get it here is 575.2 meter per second. Hence, the Mach number is 1.6. I hope you understood.